Guided meditation for peace amidst anxiety and fear. Welcome to this guided meditation, designed to bring you a sense of peace and calm in times when you might feel anxious or fearful. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. When you're ready, gently close your eyes and allow yourself to settle into this moment. Now take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension you might be holding. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed. Let's do a gentle body scan, starting from the tips of your toes. Gradually move your attention up through your body, noticing any areas of tension. As you breathe out, imagine releasing that tension, letting it melt away. Feel the relaxation spreading up through your legs, your torso, your arms, all the way to the top of your head. As we continue, acknowledge any feelings of anxiety or fear. It's okay to recognize these emotions. Imagine them as clouds in the sky, present but constantly moving and changing. You don't need to hold on to them, just let them pass by. Let's focus on our breath with a calming technique. Inhale deeply for a count of 4, hold that breath for a count of 7, and then exhale slowly for a count of 8. This rhythm helps to calm the mind and ease any anxious thoughts. Continue this breathing pattern for a few moments. Now picture in your mind a place where you feel completely at peace. It could be a beach with gentle waves, a quiet forest, or a cozy room. Imagine yourself in this place, engaging all your senses. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel? Allow this sense of peace to fill you. In this state of calm, repeat to yourself some affirmations. I am safe. I am at peace. I am in control of my breath and my thoughts. Let these words resonate within you, reinforcing a sense of safety and calm. Gradually begin to bring your awareness back to the present. Notice the room around you, the surface beneath you. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling refreshed and peaceful. As we conclude this meditation, feel a sense of gratitude for this moment of peace. Remember, you can return to this state whenever you need. Gently open your eyes when you're ready, carrying this sense of calm with you.